Making money online nowadays has become very easy, especially when you know the exact site to sign up for and you make money online. And this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money from any location all around the world using your mobile device. You can use your laptop, your mobile phone, your iPad, your computer, or whatsoever device to make money online. And I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make up to $100 by simply playing games, taking surveys, shopping, and doing other offer walls and tags on this site. Before I go into this site, make sure you subscribe to this channel by hitting on this subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Alright, this is the site right here. This site is known as Idle Empire. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. When you sign up for an account using your Facebook, Twitter, Google account, you are going to earn points by playing games, taking tests, inviting others, taking surveys on this site, and you get paid through gift cards, through cash, through cryptocurrencies. You can sign up for an account by clicking on register here. Then you select your Google account, Twitter, Facebook, Discord, or TikTok account. Then you go ahead and you sign up for an account with Idle Empire right here. Using your Google account or any account, it will lead you to this section where you can see different earning methods. On the end tab right here, you are going to see surveys, how you can make money by taking surveys, offer walls, offers, watching videos, referring others, and doing promotions on the site. Concerning surveys right here, when you click on surveys, it's going to lead you to this section where you have each survey with the corresponding point to the survey. After you complete it, all you need to do is to click on start. We have different surveys right here with the different points that you will make after completing the surveys. All you need to do is just to click on the start button and you participate in the surveys. And I'm going to be sharing with you how many points you need to cash out, which you need just 1,000 points to cash out on this site. Going back to the end section, you can click on the offer walls. When you click on offer walls, you are going to see different offer walls that you can participate in using different devices. As you can see here, we have iPad, iPhone, iPad, and Android. So each device that you select here have the different tags that have been allocated to that particular device, as you can see right here. So you can come over to all offers here. Then you select, for example, Android. If you are using an Android phone, you click on Android, then you click on save. It's going to select all different tags available for Android. For example, finance surveys, we have 350 points, social surveys, finance surveys, with the corresponding points closer to it. Then you can come and click on change and you select another device. For example, iPhone, you click on save and you can still see some of the similar offers. As you can see here, there are additional offers. You click on change, you take iPad, we are going to click on save. Then it will narrow you down to all offers available for iPad right here, and each tax has its corresponding points closer to it. You can select the different offer walls that are available from the left hand side of your screen and you select the device that you want to work with. If you are using an iPhone, you select iPhone and so on. And here you can see these are different games, different apps that you can download and you play. and you see the corresponding points, you can select according to highest paying or the earliest offers available on the site. Then you can see different offer walls right here. For example, they say unlock our high paying surveys by creating a market research profile. Then you can go ahead, you create the profile and you participate in survey rotas. We also have offer toros here, where you can download apps like Alibaba on Android. You play games, you download different games, and you can see the corresponding points beside them right here, which after completing any game or any task, you will earn the points right here. You can click on offers as well to check out the different offers that are available on the site. As you can see, we have different offers here with the corresponding points, which you can select it for free offers, downloadable offers, mobile apps, one clicks, quizzes, shopping, sign up, surveys, trials, videos, and so on, from the left hand side of your screen right here to narrow down based on what you are looking for. For example, this is a Momo Android here, and it's a mobile app which you can earn 485 points. They say welcome to the world, install and launch to earn 485 points. So here you can download these apps and you follow the instructions and you make the points, the corresponding points allocated to them. Then we have videos right here, which is Hideout TV. I don't currently have it in my country, but you can have it in the country where you sign up for an account. You can equally make money by referring others to the site, and you earn 20% lifetime commission on all your referrals. All you need to do is to copy your referral links here and you refer others to the site to sign up for an account, and they begin to participate in these different offers as well. You can equally promote Idle Empire special promotions. So anytime you can click on special promotion here, and for example, when you sign up for an account and you register, you confirm your email, you are going to make 100 points, which you can see right here. I have made 100 points by confirming my email and promoting this site. You make money. When you click on withdrawals right here, we have different cash out methods which you can cash out your money, ranging from Binance, Payeer, Litecoin, Stem. For example, Binance, you need 5,000 points to cash out. Payeer, 1,000 points. Litecoin, 2,000 points. Stem, 22,000 points. Etherium, 2,000 points. Bitcoin, 2,000 points. Perfect Money, 1,000 coins. Points, as you can see right here, there are different gift cards, as you can see right here, which you can select and you redeem your points. For example, I'm going to select Payeer right here, and we should see how much you need in order to cash out using Payeer. These are different gift cards which you can go ahead and select. For example, if I want to cash out with Payeer, if I have 1,000 points, I'll click on select. Then it will lead me to this section where 1,000 points is equals to 10 cents, 5,000 points, 50 cents, 10,000 points equals to $1, which I can cash out to my Payeer account by clicking on select. So depending on the points that you have the button of select, which you are going to choose to cash out your money. So these are the different cash out methods that you have with this Idle Empire. We equally have Perfect Money and so on. With Ladder Points, you can see the lead earners on this side. As you can see here, 200,000 points for the second winner here. Then we have 300,000 points for the first owner and 100 points as you can see, from the 4th right to the 100. So these are the different people that has worked on this site and make points on a daily basis, which means that if somebody can make 300,000 points in one day, $100 is equals to 1 million points. The person will be able to take 4 days and make $100 on this side, which you too can do in 3 days. This is how you can make $100 on Idle Empire in 3 days by participating in games, in surveys, in doing different offers, in referring others. I hope you find value in this video, and if you do, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel by hitting on that red subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one.